Welcome to the studio. You're listening to Willow Waves, a student-produced podcast where kindergarten through 6th graders explore interests, promote solutions to global concerns, and communicate about everything related to our social and emotional learning.
We aim to amplify voices, share knowledge, and encourage conversations. Visit us at willowspringses.fcps.edu to learn more and subscribe.
Join us as we explore our diverse and dynamic world of elementary education.
At 12:04 a.m. on March 24th, 1998, disaster struck on a huge oil-carrying boat by the name of Exxon Valdez.
The boat was cruising in the ocean around midnight.
And then the hull of the boat was torn well and good by a reef, and 11 million gallons of oil spilled out into the ocean.
Doesn't that sound bad for the environment?
That's because it is very bad.
At least 3 million, maybe even 7 million gallons of oil were unaccounted for by the work that people did at the time.
Animals were poisoned through the toxic properties of the oil. It hit sea otters and birds and went into the food chain through poisonous corpses.
Do you know how they cleaned the spill up?
They use oil dispersants. There's a few better ways. Oh, and by the way, I'm Lucas Wax.
And I'm Lucas Alfaro.
We have the same first name.
Funny coincidence, right? We're both in 5th grade.
On today's episode of Willow Waves, we explore products that clean up oil spills.
One of those amazing products is the OHM sponge.
The OHM sponge improves the current seen in oil spill solutions by sucking up the oil while leaving water. Just like its name implies, the material of the sponge is hydrophobic, repels water, oleophilic, attracts oil, and has more than one purpose.
Use sponges in to clean oil. Multifunctional, OHM. Oleophilic, hydrophobic, multifunctional.
The ultimate goal is to eventually suck all the oil out of the planet's waters, pure and clean.
This ambitious project is called Nano for Giga. It is named this way because they are using nanotechnology to solve a massive problem. Clever, right?
The material of these sponges is environmentally friendly, and how they work isn't any kind of machinery. It's all in the materials.
This combination splits the oil and the water, which is even harder than mixing it in the first place.
Another helpful solution is magnetic soap. Yes, you heard me right, magnetic soap.
Iron salts dissolved in water creates a magnetic field.
This was discovered by scientists from the University of Bristol.
This product could be used for a lot of things, including cleaning products like soap or sprays, while also being used to clean oil spills.
Oil isn't naturally magnetic, but putting water repellents do the trick to separate it through magnetism.
The soap works like any normal suds,
breaking up the oil particles it touches and putting it all into a drop.
Only these concentrated clumps of oil can be moved by activating a magnet,
said NBC News.
The third thing we want to talk about is robots.
14 models of the cleanup robot, ChicoArc, will soon be able to clean up the ocean's oil spills.
These robots have a little machine that spins, sucks up oil, and filters it, then releases the excess water.
ChicoArc weighs less than 60 kilograms, unlike other devices that weigh around 600.
ChicoArc is everything, all in one machine. This is unique because most devices have separate parts.
The creator of this robot says it was not easy to create a robot without experts in maritime.
It was also hard because his ideas were constantly rejected by the conservative South Korean maritime experts.
The last one of these solutions is wood chips.
Special oil binding ones that are part of the project BioBind.
They are dispersed by airplane or ship, and they go into the ocean, absorb oil, and get collected.
These can be used by themselves for oil spills about 5 to 50 tons.
For bigger oil spills, they can be used to assist other methods.
In conclusion, OHM sponges, oil cleaning robots, wood chips, and magnetic soap are the best ways we have to clean oil spills.
Hope you gain some more awareness on the topic of oil spills and maybe what you can do to help.
Thank you for listening to Willow Waves.
Tune